What's up, everyone? I hope everyone is having a great day. It's your favorite mentor and one and only Forex hero. I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba, and today I'll be showing you guys just about how to make the perfect or the most high probability chance trader entries that you can be able to make massive profit. But without wasting much time, let's click the like, subscribe, and notification bell so that we get notified every time your Forex hero gives you a massive video. So let's go into the charts. Looking at the charts now, guys, you can see we managed to capitalize on this trade because today it was CPR, and we managed to capitalize on it and get this trade. So I'll be showing you just how we managed to capitalize and be able to get into this trade and profit so much. And right now we are running on 253 pips. So I've closed some of the orders in order to capitalize, and I've left 3 orders running, but I trail stop them. So let's go and understand the reason why you can be able to get your right trades on a 15 minutes time frame. But you have to remember that the higher time frame structure gives you the higher probability. You have to know where the market is going. You have to understand the movements that are happening on smaller time frames so that you don't get lost into the market. Let's look at it this way. We had a big move showing us. Firstly, let's start by understanding how would you recognize this as a trend. First and foremost, I always advise you to understand what trend you are in. Understand the nature of the market. Are you in impulse? Are you in a corrective nature? What are you currently looking at? So you can see around this point we're having a corrective manner. We're having a corrective manner, and then here it was a corrective manner. Understand, this one was a corrective manner. So identify your impulses will be this one, and the one that's gonna come here. We knew that we're expecting a further impulse because, as you know, with how we are trading the market, this is how we trade the market: impulse, correction, impulse. So this is a way of us trading the market. So let's look at what is currently happening. I've always explained in my previous videos that as long as the market is below this diagonal line, the trend is still down. It's showing you that the market is still having chances of pushing further to the downside. But once it breaks, you must wait for a retest before you can say it has changed direction. Okay, so let's further continue doing our analysis, and you can use this one. With this one, you can see that we had a channel that is going to the downside. So I'll just use this. So we can see as we are having a downtrend coming from the top, what did we reach? We reached this and broke this low, and then reached this low, broke it, came retest, and then now we're expecting to go further to the downside. This is what I'm expecting the market to push further to come here. That's what I'm expecting. Okay, fine. So let's look at what is currently happening and what happened before that. So you can see we had moves giving us information. This is the way that I managed to capitalize on this one. I saw this channel on 4 hour, and then I scaled down to 1 hour. This was before this happened. I went to 1 hour, coming into 1 hour, and then I realized that I'm having what? I'm having this move. So I was expecting a what? A double top, and then indeed this significant a double top. So we're having this channel, ascending channel. Then I'm having a pattern within a pattern. I'm having a pattern within a pattern. I'm having a pattern within a pattern. So in this manner, you can see this is what I saw happening. Let's just see how we can draw this. This move coming here, and then this one, and then coming here, and then yes, this is what I saw happening. So this was coming from there. So now this became our double top, and then what did I see? I saw as well a pattern within a pattern. That's when we managed to capitalize and have our orders. So this is what we currently had here. So let's look at what happens most of the time. You have to understand this happens most of the time. Look at this, and also look at this. Do you see what is happening? You're having a similar pattern, but you see this one is bigger. You're having a similar pattern, and then you would have known that if you go to 15 minutes, this becomes much more clear, and you are able to capitalize on this one. You saw on 1 hour, you could not see that clearly, but look at this one. I want to show you why I managed to capitalize. It broke, retest. So I saw this retest, but on 1 minute, on 1 hour, sorry, you can't see it. Retest, and then double top. Let me just write everything. Correction, pattern within a pattern. So this is what I saw there: double top, correction, pattern within a pattern, retest. So I have reasons why I took that trade. You must always have a reason to take your trade. So, and in most cases, but you have to wait. Here's a trick. In most cases, you have to wait 6 to 8 hour candles on the 15 minutes for the correction to be validated. You have to understand how many candles. So you have to wait. So don't just be looking at a single 15 minutes candle and enter it. Look at here, you put your pending sell stop, 15 minutes, and do you see you're having that retest there? You're having that there. So you must always remember that with 15 minutes you'll at most see many retests. So most of the analysis, it will break retest, but on 1 hour it will be 1 hour, one hour candles, because you must remember in 1 hour candle, let's do this, 1 times 1 hour candle, it's equivalent to 4 times 15 minute candles. You see? So 1 hour candle is equivalent to this. Another one You see, so with 15 minutes you are able to see those confirmations, but you have to do a top-down analysis. Start the analysis from a higher time frame. You cannot try to do a shortcut and do it on 15 minutes. Yes, with practice you can be able to do it, but you have to zoom out all the way so that you cater for all candles. So in that manner, I'm saying that you cannot just focus on analyzing here. You cannot focus on here, not understanding what happened before, because this move is significant, because I could see that we are having this formation, but before this pushed up we had what? An impulse to the downside. So I would know that this now becomes a correction, because you can see this impulse, falls under a correction. This will fall under a correction. It's a straight correction and then it's squeezed at the top. It's something like this. Oops. What am I doing? It's something like this. Push and then squeeze. It's a correction in the same direction as the impulse move, so that's why it got everything is a correction. So this is some sort of a reversal. If you look at it in another form, it's a reversal. So we're expecting a reversal kind of nature here, but it becomes what? A correction because of the bigger previous move. So we look at this one, push this one as a what? As a correction, because our next move is this impulse pushing further, taking out this low. So I'm glad you could stick to the end of the video. I hope you took notes and you'll be practicing and taking your trades, but also remember that 4-hour time frame assists you in getting the right confirmation, the confirmation that won't get you caught on the wrong side. But don't forget, to get sniper entries, you can use the 15 minutes. It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. Catch me in the next video. Peace.